Hey guys, Baleficent here from the Baleficent Calcish Show. So, today, we are making a milkshake. Okay, so the ingredients are oh shit, that. Yeah. Stop! Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh my god. Fuck yeah. Okay, so. Okay, that's a blood stain, not dirt. Oh, okay. So that's our ice cream so far. That's Milo at the top. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Where is it? Fuck! Okay, guys. So anyway, we need some more milky. Fuck yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm actually not. I feel like I've done a video like this before. Very, very similar, but I've never done a video like this. Don't ask.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Wait. Shit. So anyway. Oh, fuck. Oh shit, I forgot one ingredient. Fuck! Oh, hey guys. We made it, oh my god. I'm a strong big boy. What the fuck is this broken? What the hell? I don't even know what it looks like. Hey, oh man. Anyway, guys. Yeah. Okay, so. Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Ugh. Don't fucking mind that. Oh, what the heck? What the fuck? Okay, guys, here is my. Yeah. Hashtag recommend. I've been in this place before. I can't. Oh! That was coffee. I swear. Fuck! Crying. Oh my.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Daddy. Kill me. Kill me! Hey guys, okay, so I'm back and we're making something yummier this time. Let's go! Hey guys, so we're making something yummy today. Don't know where I fucking got this onion. Anyway, wait there.
Oh shit. Oh my lordy god.
Okay guys, so
I have no clue what I'm fucking doing because I ain't
okay guys, we're making yummy biscuits now. See this? Whatever these are, you go. It's like bottom. And then you go, there's a fucking onion in it. Oh shit, I got it wrong. Fuck. I'm gonna kill them all. Yep, and then yeah. Very good, very good. Remember, I'm a cooking expert. Don't do this at home or you'll probably die. You probably won't. Okay, so some onions in here. Sorry, there was just like something I needed to grab. Ooh, yeah, yummy. Oh, yum. This is gonna be so yum. Yum. Oh, yeah, yummy. Oh, fuck yeah, yum. Yummy. And then milk. So you can see it being poured in there. This is gonna be so yummy. Stay tuned, okay, guys? So I'm actually gonna drink. I'm gonna eat this. Wait, no. Fuck! I'm gonna drink it. This is gonna be so yum. Fuck.
Oh my god!
Hey everyone, so we might have a guest appearance today. So, listen here. Stupid Christoph will be in the video today.
That's my name on YouTube. Thank you. Ooh, look at me playing with a knife. Oh my god.
I'll be back. Hey guys, here's my guest appearance. So I think this is ready. I have no clue what this is going to be like because that was not a good sound.
No.
This is going to be fucking yummy. 2 cups because we'll be back. Okay guys, so here's our reaction. That was yummy. That was the best thing I've ever had. That was yummy. That was yummy. I could have as much as I want. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That was the yummiest stuff I've ever had, wasn't it? That was so yummy. So, please like and subscribe and leave suggestions in the comment section. Yeah! 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 Help me.